Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland: Baltimore, Carroll, and Howard. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for South Central Carroll County in north central Maryland, Northern Howard County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. An automated rain gauge in Lisbon and Howard County reported 1.42 inches of rain in 30 minutes. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen elsewhere. This could be upgraded to a flash flood warning at any time. Move to safety immediately. Some locations that may experience flooding include Columbia, Ellicott City, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Randallstown, Owings Mills, Eldersburg, Milford Mill, Mount Airy, Sacresville, Ilchester, Henriton, West Friendship, Woodstock, Gaither, Granite, Poplar Springs, Roxbury Mills, Galena, and Oella. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.
Partly sunny 77.